Hey, aloha, aloha, aloha. Good morning from our ranch here. Beautiful morning. Probably too beautiful for working outside, too sunny. But very beautiful, very cool morning. I must say, I already drank my cup of coffee and here I am. I want to show you my Kalo farm, okay? My Taro. Kalo in Hawaiian. Kalo. Taro. Uh, Ohli. Woot. Ohli in Chuukese. Woot in my language. Woot. And then Kalo in Hawaiian and Taro in English, but probably that's an adopted word. But anyways, let me show you, okay? Because my Taro farm is only a week old, all right? And because of my awesome soil from my fertilizer pond, these guys are coming out like crazy. Okay, so without delay, let me turn it around. All right, see how quick that is? It's only a week, and look at all the taros coming out. See all the taros. They look so happy. Okay, and this is my aunties and my sister Halor. This is theirs, and this section here is mine. Look at that. Look how beautiful those taros are coming out. Yep. Because of awesome soil. Yep, when the soil is good, the plants are happy. Okay, and let me show you. This is my new Hawaiian pepper. That's my brand new Hawaiian pepper. Okay, let me show you something else. Alrighty, let me show you something else. Another Hawaiian pepper that I've been babying here, and it's gonna come out so good because I put a lot of good soil in it. So green. Yep, look at that. That is beautiful. Alrighty. And my papaya is growing up good. Soon I will have my own papaya. Okay. Alright. Okay. And let me show you what I've been working on these past few days. Okay, because I've been working hard here on the ranch. Okay, so I want to show you what I'm working on. Okay, this is let me turn this. This is the back side. Okay, back side of my house, and I've been working hard on that the pile of soil, converting it into a farm. A lot of plants here. As you can see, I planted sugar cane over there, and then kava next to it. Sugar cane here, sugar cane there, beetle nut here, and then yam. Right, I think this is yam. This is from Myron and Kalo. It's coming up, so it's gonna go up on this tree. All right. As you can see, I filled this place up with the soil from the fertilizer pond. Then we have kava here, sugar cane, kava, new kava that I just planted, kava, new ones, banana trees, kava, beetle nut tree, kava, lime. See, lime is already coming out. See, sugar cane up there, kava here, kava, and then my papaya trees, papaya, and then kava, beetle nut, papaya, kava plants, and then lime tree. Okay, So this is yeah, now let me show you 2 more yam. Okay, so here's a yam. All right, here's another yam going up, and then behind it, yeah, you can see I created a, so the tree that the yam goes on right there, and it's gonna go up on top of all these guava trees. There's yam going on here, and so can you imagine, this is the driveway. This is my future driveway, right? Okay, so looking this way, this is my future driveway. So you know why I'm doing this, right? Because I'm gonna bring the humongous rocks from the front, and it'll line my whole driveway all the way out to the front. So at the front we already have bananas and sugar canes and stuff, and then we're gonna do that here too. So we have bananas. It's gonna line the driveway all the way out to the front. Okay, and then we're gonna wrap the house. So we'll use different sidings, different style for this house. Okay, yeah, so this house will be cute by the time we're done with it. Okay, right now we just need to wrap it around with the house wrap. Yeah, so we're gonna put house wrap around this, and then we're gonna use different siding on that side, and this side will be different. Okay, alrighty, so and we'll continue. We're gonna move all these logs out of here and then continue planting alongside the property line all the way down there, and then across all the way to the other side and coming down from this side. So let's go check the bananas. Okay, let's go check the bananas. Yeah, all right, I have breadfruits to plant. So I don't know what kind of banana is this. You guys can tell me. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, the animal is, or bird. So I need to cut this. I gotta go get a knife to cut this. Guess I think the birds are eating it, so better go get a knife and cut it down so the birds don't attack it. Okay guys, so just want to show you guys the taro farm or garden. Okay, it's a tiny garden. Okay, and then maybe I think tomorrow or the day after tomorrow we'll harvest that. We're gonna harvest this, and then I can show you what we do with it. Alrighty, for the time being, you all have a wonderful day. Enjoy life out there. Okay, and mahalos.